Cheers and welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. Yeah. It's just a quick video. This video won't be around very long. But remember I mentioned voting. That's right, voting on an iGulu beer. And that if Bitter Reality Brewing wins, I'll just regift it. That's right, we'll give it away again. Yeah. Contest ends tomorrow. That's the 20th of July at 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So you have until 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to cast your vote. We're not winning. That's right, we're not winning. But I've got a huge bonus for you too. That's right, a huge bonus. Guess what? To help with participation for people voting, that's right, voting, they're gonna give away an iGulu with a pale ale kit. One of my favorite kits, that's right. Drinking the Saison that I did a split batch, one in a keg, one in the iGulu. The dank's gone, it's amazing, I'm loving it. But I'll leave the link below, okay? If you haven't voted, please go there. If you have, and you didn't get a chance to enter to win the iGulu from iGulu, not from me, yeah, really simple. Go to the voting thing, make sure you don't have any pop-ups blocked, and just give it a few seconds. It'll pop up. Yes, you're subscribing to an email to come to you. Yes, you can unsubscribe, but hey, chance to win a free iGulu. And if you've seen the quantity of voting, I was shocked that, you know, we've had a good turnout, but not as much as I expected. So that means that the odds of winning for you is higher. That's right. Show me a little love. Check the link below. It's the simple triple, Belgian triple that I brewed, doing basically 2 pots and a colander, showing that you can do it in your own kitchen with your stuff around your house. And then I put it in iGulu, fermented it, served it, enjoyed the hell out of it. Right now I'm having my Belgian Saison, which is really nice and very low ABV, perfect for the summer. It's like, supposedly it feels like 109 Fahrenheit outside, seriously. But hey, do me a favor, go check it out. All I'm asking you to do is vote. If you want to sign up for the thing, you get a chance to win an iGulu direct from iGulu. That's always a bonus. And you know, when you're not having, you know, what, the lottery, 1 in a umpteen billion, yeah, your odds are much better. So either way, cheers, appreciate you. Show me a little love. Thank you.